He speaks English. Then his brother. A. Good. B. Better. C. Best. D. More good. Correct answer option B. Better. The room was cleaned. The maid. A. By. B. From. C. To. D. With. Correct answer option A. By. She hasn't seen her friend last year. A. For. B. Since. C. From. D. By. Correct answer option B. Since. He has lived in this city 10 years. A. Since. B. For. C. From. D. By. Correct answer option B. For. They were watching TV. It started to rain. A. When. B. Because. C. Before. D. If. Correct answer option A. When. You should wait. I finish my work. A. Till. B. For. C. Since. D. Although. Correct answer option A. Till. I'm interested. Learning new languages. A. In. B. On. C. At. D. For. Correct answer option A. In. He will call you. He arrives. A. When. B. While. C. Since. D. Before. Correct answer option A. When. Subscribe for more videos.